Hello and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how to log out of Tumblr on both your phone and PC in easy steps. So let's get started. First, on your phone, open the Tumblr app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Here scroll down and tap on account settings. From here, scroll down again and tap on log out. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just tap yes or log out again to confirm. And now, on your PC. First, open your browser and go to the Tumblr website. Next, click on Account in the left drop-down menu. Then, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Log Out. And that's it! You successfully logged out of Tumblr on both your phone and PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.